Bluebell Festival is a culmination of a vision that many local activists have had over the years, that the place we live in becomes the place that in turn saves us. The pillars of the Bluebell Festival are simply well-being, solidarity and community. These pillars are relatable to every member of our community that lives under this black mountain, this sleeping giant. And we want to show empathy and compassion to others of similar circumstances. We want our children to be better and have better. We want them to be more conscious of their roles as members of a community. We want our people to experience more of the things that unite us: music, culture, art and entertainment.
We want the Upper Springfield to be a healthy place and offer good mental well-being for all.
Bhailen a bheith spreiche ag Alín agus ag ceardaíocht. Is féidir le duine bí iad a chruthu agus is linne ar fad iad.
For the Upper Springfield, we want to experience great music and entertainment. We already have so much quality talent around us.
Bhailen go mé an Gaelic, an culture agus an art mar lurí ar an uachtar clúine.
For the Upper Springfield, we want sports and culture to bind us and strengthen our community.
Come on, clap the hands.
We want to reach out to others, to learn, and to show that we are capable and willing to make change here and now.
One, two, three, dance!
This is the Upper Springfield. This is the Festival of the Bluebells. Féile na gCloigíní Gorma.